Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is how to identify and mitigate cyber threats. In our increasingly digital world, understanding cyber threats is crucial for protecting ourselves and our information. Let's start with a basic question. What are cyber threats? Shreya, would you like to begin? Sure. Cyber threats refer to any malicious activity aimed at compromising the confidentiality, integrity, or availability of information. This can include hacking, malware, phishing, and other attacks that target individuals or organizations. Sure. Cyber threats refer to any malicious activity aimed at compromising the confidentiality, integrity, or availability of information. This can include hacking, malware, phishing, and other attacks that target individuals or organizations. Great explanation, Shreya. Cyber threats come in various forms. Anmol, can you share some common types of cyber threats that individuals might encounter?
Absolutely. Some common types of cyber threats include phishing, where attackers try to trick you into providing personal information, malware, which refers to malicious software designed to harm devices, and ransomware, which locks your data until a ransom is paid. There are also threats like DDoS attacks, where multiple systems are used to flood a target, disrupting its services.
Very informative, Anmol. Recognizing these threats is the first step to protection. Swati, what are some signs that someone might be facing a cyber threat?
Some signs include receiving unexpected emails or messages with suspicious links, noticing unusual activity on your accounts, such as unfamiliar logins, and seeing pop-up ads that seem out of place. If your device is running slower than usual or crashing frequently, it might indicate malware infection.
Excellent points, Swati. Being aware of these signs can help individuals take action before it's too late. Manish, what are some effective strategies for mitigating cyber threats once they've been identified?
There are several strategies we can implement. First, it's crucial to keep all software and operating systems updated, as these updates often contain security patches. Using strong, unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication can also help secure accounts. Additionally, regularly backing up important data can mitigate the impact of a ransomware attack.
Great suggestions, Manish. Regular updates and strong security measures are essential. Shreya, how can individuals protect themselves from phishing attempts specifically? To protect against phishing, individuals should be cautious of unsolicited emails or messages, especially those that ask for sensitive information. Always verify the sender's email address and look for signs of phishing, such as poor grammar or urgent requests. Using email filters can help catch suspicious messages before they reach your inbox. Excellent tips, Shreya. Recognizing phishing attempts is vital in safeguarding personal information. Anmol, what role do you think education plays in identifying and mitigating cyber threats?
Education is crucial. Many people are unaware of the various types of cyber threats and how to identify them. Schools and organizations should provide training on cybersecurity best practices, helping individuals recognize threats and respond effectively.
Very true, Anmol. Education empowers individuals to protect themselves. Swati, what resources or tools would you recommend for staying informed about cybersecurity threats? There are many resources available, such as cybersecurity blogs, government websites like cyber.gov, and online courses focused on cybersecurity awareness. Additionally, following reputable organizations on social media can help keep individuals updated on the latest threats and safety tips. Excellent suggestions, Swati. Staying informed is key in the rapidly changing landscape of cybersecurity. Manish, what advice would you give to someone who has fallen victim to a cyber threat? Very practical advice, Manish. Taking immediate action can help mitigate the impact of cyber threats. Now, let's wrap up with some final thoughts. What would each of you say to encourage your peers to be proactive about identifying and mitigating cyber threats?
I'd say, stay vigilant. Always question unexpected emails and messages before taking action.
I'd encourage them to invest time in learning about cybersecurity basics. The more you know, the better you can protect yourself.
Thank you all for such an engaging and informative discussion. Identifying and mitigating cyber threats is essential in today's digital landscape. Let's continue to support each other in fostering a safe online environment.